So today is March the 20th, and this is the two puppies that we have left from Zoe's litter. These puppies can actually go home this weekend, or they can stay until next weekend too. We have puppies that are flying out next weekend that are being shipped, and then some people are picking up their puppies this weekend. So whatever your need is, but they are so cute. This is Green Collar Boy. He is a really, really good looking guy. These two are actually two of the most easygoing puppies that we've got in the litter. They are just sweethearts and very, very cute. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? This is White Collar Boy. Huh? What are you doing, buddy? You want to tear that off of there? This is Green Collar Boy. Green Collar Boy is a gorgeous looking blue. Of course, they're both blues and they're both good looking dogs. But Green Collar Boy, he's a little bit smaller than White Collar Boy, but he's a sweetheart. He's really, really easygoing. I like Green Collar Boy a lot. He's a lot of fun. What is that? Huh? What is it? And here's White Collar Boy again. He's playing with the teddy bear. But he's got some really big paws on him, and he's got the big block head. But he is laid back and easygoing. Him and Green Collar Boy both are pretty easygoing pups. This is the only two puppies we have available right now. And as I said, they could actually go home this weekend. So you could take them home right away, or they could go home next weekend. Either way. We had one person that actually reserved White Collar Boy, but their financial situation didn't work out. So he's back on the market, aren't you, hon? Yes. Yes, you are. Yeah. This is White Collar Boy. There's Green. So gorgeous. There's White Collar Boy again. What you got? Huh? What you got, buddy? They are so playful at this stage and just sweethearts. Green Collar Boy. So easygoing and laid back. And what are you doing, buddy? Huh? What's he got? What's he got? What is that? Huh? They're so funny with all the toys around. They always like want what the other ones got. Hi. This is Green Collar Boy sitting on my lap. He's a sweetie. He likes to just like lay on your lap, and he's adorable. This is White Collar Boy. What are you doing? Huh? What you got? What is that? So if you're interested in either one of the puppies from this litter, please let us know. So they're a good looking bunch of pups. So this is White Collar Boy again. And Green Collar Boy. 812-709-1839 is my cell phone number, or 812-709-1840 is Rob's phone number. Just let us know, 812-709-1840. And we will put you on the list to reserve either white collar boy or green collar boy. And as again, I said, they are so playful and cute. Oh, he got it. Nope, he's not got it. Very playful at this stage. They're just so cute. White collar boy is on the right and green collar boy is on the left. It's very strong. 812-709-1840. Thank you.